Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday with Engage Essentials. Today, we're diving into the science behind the winter solstice and why December 21st is known as the shortest day of the year. To do so, we need to explore how we track the planets and the science behind this astronomical event. The winter solstice occurs when the Earth's tilt reaches its maximum angle away from the Sun in the Northern Hemisphere. This happens around December 21st every year and results in the least amount of sunlight during the day. The main point for the winter solstice is the length of a day, and that depends on how much sunlight we receive. On the winter solstice, the sun appears at its lowest point in the sky, and it takes the shortest path across the horizon. This is why daylight hours are at their lowest, sometimes as little as 5 hours in certain northern regions. This is also why it is referred to as the darkest day of the year. Throughout history, humans have tracked the solstice using technology and observation. To start, we used ancient tools from early civilizations like the Maya and the builders of Stonehenge used celestial alignments to mark the solstice. Now, with more modern methods, we use astronomical software and tools like telescopes and satellites to track the Earth's tilt and orbit. We also have access to apps like Stellarium, which lets anyone observe the sky in real time. For the most accurate tracking support, we use time-lapse data. Websites like timeanddate.com calculate precise sunrise and sunset times, showing how daylight hours change, and can help aid you on how to best prepare to benefit from limited sunlight time. The solstice is a critical marker in understanding how our planet moves. Farmers historically used it to time crop cycles, and even today, it's a key event for meteorologists, astronomers, and ecologists. For fun, here are some solstice tidbits. In the Southern Hemisphere, it's the longest day of the year. As the days get shorter up in the north, the opposite happens in the south. Near the Arctic Circle, some areas experience polar night, with no sunlight at all. There are also parts of Earth that during certain times of the year they have endless days of nights too. And lastly, the word solstice comes from Latin, meaning sun stands still, referencing how the sun seems to pause at its lowest point before climbing higher again. So, while December 21st might be the darkest day for us in the Northern Hemisphere, it's a moment to marvel at the incredible dance of our planet and the stars. Have you ever noticed how the daylight changes around this time? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this Tech Tuesday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next week for more tech insights. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and let's explore the world of tech together with Engage Essentials and Prairie Agency. See you Friday.